Before we get into trading the challenge, I'm about to do something that I should have done a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago, to be honest, 3 years ago. But for some reason, I was lazy, I was chasing bitches, I was smoking weed, and that's the reason why I'm still not funded after 4 years. But what we're about to do is go to my journal, collect some data, sharpen my mind, and then tomorrow, we're going to get into the challenge. And with the grace of the Lord, we're going to pass this challenge. Come on, I'm finna take y'all to the process of going to my journal. Do y'all want to follow along? Yes or no? Yeah? Oh, man, yeah. I love y'all. I love you. I hope you love me too. I love you. Come on, let's do it. Here I have my journal trades, and I've been doing this not really consistently, but I have a lot of data, all right? The type of trade it was, were all rules lined up, yes. Which pair, which day, the date, which time the trade occurred. If I go break even at what are the results? If I don't go break even, I just let price go to 1 or 3R, what are the results? 1R plus reverse, 3R hit, power of 3, midnight open, or 17-hour open. There are two power of 3s that I use. These are the two, midnight open and 17H, right? And if there was a setup doing New York, and if there was a setup doing London, and at the end of doing all of this data collection,
and I will know which trades are good, which ones are bad, at what time I should be trading. And I will reach a point in my trading that I would just be sitting down at the charts with my coffee, happy as hell, or tea, happy as hell. Just like this dude, winning trades, making money endlessly.
Several days later.
I'm about to take this setup right now. I'm gonna do the markup. I'm gonna say why I took this setup, and it's gonna be very clear. But now I just want y'all to see that I'm about to take this setup because this is a live trading video. And if I take a trade live, I'm about to take a trade live. I gotta show you live.
A few moments later.
I'm finally gonna get funded. It's time. The time is now. I'm so high, I can touch the sky, and I know now it's now or never. Okay, now I'm about to take this setup. Hold on, let me see. I'm in the trade, baby. I'm in the trade, baby. I'm in the trade, baby. 0.25% on this motherfucker. I'm in the trade.
A few moments later.
All right, beautiful people. Now, as y'all can see my screen, I took the trade. I showed it beforehand. I showed that motherfucker beforehand. It's about to hit break even. I'm about to go break even at 1R right here. And I'm going to target 2R because this is a counter trend trade. This is a C setup. Like I said, C setups, counter trend. We go break even real quick and we don't risk that much money on that motherfucker. Now, I'm finna get into... there we go. It just hit break even. But I'm finna get into why I took this trade. So that not only you can learn, but so you can learn. Alright? But yeah. Oh God, I'm so excited because I'm finally finna get funded too, bro. Yo, I'm like, you know. It's been 4 years. Okay, trade breakdown. Now, this trade ended up hitting break even. It came back up. And then it slightly hit my take profit. No, it did not hit my take profit. So yeah, the break even saved me, man. Risk management is key. So first of all, I was looking at the weekly. The weekly is to expand higher. All right, because if we go to the monthly, pay very close attention. On the monthly, we did this, right? We got this target. We got this target. These equal highs that we want to target. We swept liquidity over here. Now over here, we did a reaccumulation. Swept this. We pushed up and we took this. Now, if you look on a fractal scale, basically what happened here is happening here right now. You see what I mean? So I'm waiting for price to do the exact same shit over here, right? Now, on the weekly, which is here. Boom, which is this right here. I'm still looking for price to go bullish and for price to eventually make the sweep here lower to then go up. Let's go to the daily now. On a daily, I'm looking for price to expand higher to complete the weekly expansion, but we don't know if the daily wants to make the sweep lower to tap this zone to then go higher. I don't know that yet, but we're going to play what the market is showing us. On a 4 hourly, we tapped this inverse value gap, and I saw that price was expecting heavily. We blew up. We created this order block over here that you can see right here. The mouse cursor is right there right now. This order block we created. I was looking for price to come back down there, and I'm still looking for it, to then look for buys to target this high over here that I got marked up. On the 1 hourly, the anticipation is to continue the expansion to the upside, right? And now you're gonna think like, wait, why were you looking for sales? Like, it don't even make sense to look for sales, Julius. It will all make sense. I'm gonna show you. On the 1 hourly, I'm looking literally for this to happen, for price to make an accumulation, to then come down, tap into the open of the 4 hour order block, which lines up with a 1 hour order block that swept Asia low and that caused price to go up. I want price to come down over here to then go up. All right. During the London session, there was a setup over here, but I missed it because I was asleep. And then I don't trade London session. But I could have called a buy over here, but I didn't do it because I don't trade London session, okay? Now, let me show you why I took a sell instead. Let me go over here on the charts, right? This is the central bank's dealer range high, which is from 2 p.m. until 6 p.m. All right, over here. So once we get that sweep, in combination with the fact that I'm looking for buys, for price to do this, to then go up, I was anticipating sales. But the probabilities of this working out were very low, so therefore I risk very low also. You feel what I'm saying? Now look. Price came here. We had this 50-minute fair value gap. We had a sweep of it. We had SMT present as well. Like, I don't need SMT, but if I see SMT, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, added confluence. And boom, I took the trade right here. As soon as I saw price started breaking down and we closed below here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. As soon as I saw that price close below here, boom, I entered. It went down. And at this point, I didn't even care because I knew that price had the capabilities of doing bullshit until we make the real move to then go up.
Several days later.
I ended up not having a setup after that, but the bias was perfectly. You see that we ended up targeting this high, that the 1 hour came to this zone over here, and that we ended up pushing up higher, right? As you can see over here. I'm telling you, getting closer, getting closer, getting closer. But the thing is, I caught some beautiful setups, and at the moment, my challenge is at break even. So hopefully by next week, we pass this challenge and you can start making money. Stay tuned. One day, and that day will come when I make my first 10K. Someone will be looking at these videos and be like, damn, he came from far. He was struggling. He was like, he came like, ah. And now look at him. He making 10K. That's the whole goal of my channel, to inspire people to not give up on trading, because it's not easy, but it is possible. Stay blessed. Stay hardworking. To the next one, baby. Or not baby, my dude, my guy. And for all my ladies, my baby.